Hello everyone. Today our topic is phenol and related compound. Phenol. So what is a phenol? Phenol, also called carbolic acid, one of the oldest antiseptic, is potent bactericidal and fungicidal. So next, it is a structure of phenol. So it is a benzene ring. Add benzene ring on para position of hydroxyl group. So this ring is known as phenol ring. So next our example is chloroglycerol. So what is the structure of chloroglycerol? It is phenol ring. At phenol ring contain methyl group and chlorine atom. At third position of methyl group and at fourth position of chlorine atom. So number start from hydroxyl group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So alphabetically order नुसार 4 chloro 3 methyl phenol. IUPAC 4 chloro 3 methyl phenol. Now physical properties of chloroglycerol. So color is colorless or white crystalline powder. Odor characteristic. Solubility slightly soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, freely soluble in ether and fatty acid. It is physical properties of chloroglycerol. Next, storage condition of chloroglycerol. Its aqueous solution becomes yellow in color on exposure to light and air. So it is a aqueous solution, so a liquid solution, and this solution it is a color yellow and it is exposure to light and air. Now it is uses of chloroglycerol. So first use is potent disinfectant and also used as topical antiseptic. Now second, it is a more in acid solution, but its effectiveness is reduced in presence of oil, fats and non-ionic surfactant. So it is acidic in nature and it is effective is reduced, and it is presence of oil, fats and non-ionic surfactant. Now third use, it is used as preservative in cream for external use. Next example, chlorogenol. Chlorogenol means it is a phenol ring. So this phenol ring containing 2 methyl group and 1 chlorine atom. At third and fifth position of methyl group and fourth position of chlorine atom. So IUPAC of this 4 chloro 3,5 dimethyl phenol. So by dimethyl, because of 2 times of methyl group on third and fifth position, so that's why 3 to 5 dimethyl phenol. Next, what is uses? It is used for skin and wound disinfection, so it is chlorogenol. Next, hexachlorophene. It is a structure of hexachlorophene. It is a 2 phenol ring. So these 2 phenol ring containing 3 chlorine atoms and total 6 chlorine atom is here, and 1 is methylene group is here. So on third, fourth, sixth position of chlorine atom, so that's why number start from hydroxyl group, so because of priority. So IUPAC is 2,2-methylene bis 3,4,6 dichlorophenol. So why it is bis? Because of 2 times of phenol ring, so that's why it is bis. So 3,4,6. So 3,4,6 position of chlorine atom, so that's why that is a trichlorophenol. Next, what is uses of hexachlorophene? So first use is it is ingredient of soaps, detergent creams, oils and other solution used for topical applications. ॲज अ डिटर्जंट, ॲज अ सोप म्हणून हेक्झाक्लोरोफिन यूज केलं जातं. कशासाठी? ॲज अ टॉपिकल ॲप्लिकेशन्स. नेक्स्ट, इट इज यूज फॉर स्किन प्रिपरेशन, अप्लाय ॲट इंजेक्शन साइट. ॲज अ स्किन प्रिपरेशन ये applied at injection site through hexachlorophene अप्लाय केलं जातं. सो दॅट्स वाय इट इज युजेस ऑफ हेक्साक्लोरोफिन. नेक्स्ट आवर टॉपिक इज डाइज. डाइज में क्या है? एग्जाम्पल इज प्रोफ्लेविन. सो नाउ it is structure of proflavin. So it is 2 methyl group is here, so that's why, and one is 6 position containing nitrogen atoms, so that's why it is a proflavin structure. On third and sixth position of amino group, so it is a proflavin. Next, it is physical properties of proflavin. Color is orange red to brownish red. Odor odorless. Solubility is soluble in water and ethanol, insoluble in benzene and ether. Next, what is the storage condition? Storage condition is proflavin is a light sensitive, so store in well closed container protected from light. It is a light sensitive, so that's why it is stored in well closed container. Why? Because protected from light. Then uses of proflavin. It is used as antiseptic for treatment of infected wounds, burns and skin infection. Wounds, burns and skin infection के treatment के लिए proflavin antiseptic as use करते हैं. Okay. Next is aldehyde. So aldehyde में क्या कौन सा example है? Formaldehyde. So that's formaldehyde का structure है. So you know that structure. HC double bond OH, it is the structure of formaldehyde. Next now, of physical properties of formaldehyde. Color, colorless liquid. Odor, pungent or irritating odor. What? Solubility, soluble in water and alcohol. What is uses of formaldehyde? So first use is 2 to 5% of formaldehyde solution used for disinfection of surgical gloves and instrument. 2 to 5% of formaldehyde solution कशासाठी यूज केलं जातं? डिसइन्फेक्शन ऑफ सर्जिकल ग्लोव्स अँड इंस्ट्रुमेंट. सेकंड इज 4% ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन सलाइन इज अ प्रिजर्वेटिव फॉर पैथोलॉजिकल स्पेसिमेन. इन सलाइन में 4% फॉर्माल्डिहाइड यूज़ करने पड़ते हैं, इसलिए बिकॉज अ प्रिजर्वेटिव एज अ प्रिजर्वेटिव फॉर